series Knowledge Integration Network. I'm starting this video series as part of the UAE Year of Sahith Knowledge Initiative launched by the UAE government. And this is going to be our first video, and we are having Mr. Muhammad Hamdan with us today, the Director of Trade Promotions, and he's also the Honorable Ambassador for the Foreign Investments for Korea. So hi Muhammad, how are you doing?
Good, thank you. Welcome.
I have a couple of very important questions for you today. Before starting the questions, I would like to ask you, as part of the Director of the Trade Promotions and Honorable Ambassador for Foreign Investments Korea, it's a very huge responsibility. So I would like to know, what do you enjoy the most part of your job?
Well, the job, first of all, thank you, and it's good to have you here with us. And without enjoying the job, first of all, the job itself will not be interesting for the person. What I enjoy about it is connecting the world. It's not something that I do, let's say, in a smaller scale. It's a global approach. It's where we connect as a ministry, as a government, the businessmen from UAE with their counterpart globally, and that's what I see and enjoy with that. Doing this sort of job, connecting businessmen together and giving them and opening the right door for them to exchange ideas, business.
First question is the role of young generations can lead to economic prosperity?
Well, young generation are the future. Always, they are the source of ideas, thoughts. They are the where we can develop and move forward and in a faster way. The older people get, I don't see the less creative they can become, but they, let's say, get used to certain things or certain lifestyle. Young generation on that, it's the opposite. They come up fresh, they come up with ideas, they come up with thoughts that sometimes no one think about.
Yeah.
Most of the let's say leading businesses nowadays are created by young people. So we believe in young generation. We have created as a government a ministry of youth that's showcase the trust we have in the young generation. When it comes to the economy, they are the one of the main pillars of the economy. Small and medium enterprises, innovators, they are the source of all the energy that we have for that to boost our economy.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, my second question is going to be, how artificial intelligence, specifically in the aerospace sector, is going to transform the global economy as a whole? If you can explain about UAE in specific, I think it should be.
Well, I'm not an AI expert.
Yeah.
However, but AI is a hot topic. Everyone talk about it, and we see a great potential on the AI sector. We took certain initiatives. We also, when it comes to the businesses, we hear about the future ideas that we think within the next few years will come. Personally, I think when it comes to aerospace, yes, we will see more. I mean, the drones are something that more and more economic sectors rely on. You see in the States some drones to delivery, and this can expand to certain areas when it comes to such industry. AI itself will be a lifestyle forecasted to take a chunk of the economy, and this chunk will keep growing day after day, and we're keen to be part of it. We're keen to establish such an infrastructure to support it. We're keen to attract AI minds to come to be part of the UAE success.
Even UAE government is also very confident that it can achieve the goal of of implementing artificial intelligence, robotics, and various other technologies like data science in the aerospace industry and become a world leader by 2021.
The things like things with big data and so on. It's all over the place now. We're lucky to live in some days to see this evolution and quick change of the technologies and the initiative that already been announced recently by the government is a great motivator for the business. At the end, business is the real drive for such initiatives. Government support, government give, let's say, some initiatives, but at the end, it's the role of the business, of the market, to drive this further.
Yeah, that's great. That's really true. In your opinion, which economic sector will be very challenging and which is very much useful for the graduates in the future?
Well, all sectors should be fine. I don't say, don't be an artist or don't be, just follow your dream.
Yeah.
If someone got a good knowledge with numbers, he can make a good accountant or a good financier, because that's his passion.
Yeah.
Because I don't believe in people doing things based on the market. Yes, you have to do certain knowledge or certain strength to empower yourself, but don't give up your dreams.
Yeah.
That's how it should be. Future, as we mentioned, AI is coming. Still, people will depend on numbers, finance, accounting. Those jobs will have time. Yes, so the AI will take over, but you still need the human mind to check and make sure things are right. All people need doctors, people need engineers. So I don't say that people should tend to one subject or by the end you will have like millions of people specialize in one sector and they are leaving the rest of the sectors. But the door should be open for people to follow their dreams, just to specialize in something. Maybe on the side, if for example you're an engineer, you can do an MBA with an engineering background without a market knowledge is not something that can work out your a good future. So you have to mix science with other subjects just to get the right mixture.
Yeah, that's true. My last question is going to be on what's the one untold voice message you always wanted to convey to the society as a whole for the betterment of future generations?
That's a big question. Well, personally, I think honesty and integrity is a main factor. People, when they are honest and they have integrity in their inside, they can work well, they can share their success, and they can give whatever they need to give to the right people. Young generation need to learn how to develop that. It's a skill. You need to learn how to be honest, how to be friendly, so such a, let's say, ethical manners need to be developed with the person through his early days, through his career and so on.
Okay, thank you very much for sharing your experience, Mr. Muhammad. It's a pleasure to be here today.
Pleasure is mine. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
I wish you a good luck and all the best.